Okay, if you notice on the beads, I put them close together, side by side, so I can put a cover pass on it. The one thing that you need to make sure is when you clean it, you've got to get all the spatter off. You've got to clean all the flux off of it so that you could get a good separation or a good fusion of the metal. If you noticed also when I start striking the arc, you can tap it or you can kind of strike it like an old-fashioned match. Tap it or strike it to start your arc. When you're holding your arc, you're either going to do a backhand method back and forth, or you can do circles. This one that I'm going to use for the cover pass is a weave bead. The amperage that was set for these two string beads, these are called string beads, was about 75 to 80 amps. When I do the second rod, which is a 7018, a cover pass, it's got to be changed to about 115 to 120 amps because you have to run the 7018 a little bit hotter. Remember, you're going to clamp it on with the bare metal up at the top. Okay, eyes. Now the cover pass is deceiving. You've got to be able to get your puddle together. If you don't get your puddle together, you're going to have voids in your weld. Right now, this weld, the 7018 is a cover pass, so the bead, the flux will come off different on the bead, and I'll show you real quick. This right here is covering those beads together in the center. So see how tight the bead is? That's the way you want it when you're doing a cover pass. This is a 7018. This is a 6011. Okay, remember, you have to clean your beads between each weld.